Home Remedies presents. Why worry about aging skin? Try this and look 10 years younger. Hey guys, today I will share with you a very simple face mask recipe that is a mineral packed mask which is essential for healthy collagen production as it has most copper rich foods. It is very simple to make and easy to use. Let's see how. Ingredients: unsweetened cocoa powder 2 tablespoons, milk or cream as required to get a smooth paste. Method: are you liking the video? If yes, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel to support it. Mix the milk or cream with the cocoa powder to make a smooth paste. Apply it to your face and leave for 15 minutes. Rinse with warm water. By taking an extra 15 minutes out of your day, you will dramatically improve your skin's texture and complexion. It's never too late to get started. A good anti-aging skincare routine helps you age well naturally. If you liked the video, hit that like button to give it more value and share it on your social networks to let others benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.